how to play the C major scale on the octave mandolin. So start on the G string with your fourth finger on the fifth fret. That's your C. Then open D. Then first finger on the second fret D string for an E. Second finger on the third fret D string for an F. Fourth finger on the fifth fret D string for a G. Open A. First finger on the second fret A string for a B. And second finger on the third fret A string for a C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. If you have any questions, I'm online all the time, so use any of the links below to reach me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon so you can get notifications when I upload new material.